Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my competitive math session. Today, I am going to explain one of the important question of recurring decimal, or you can say pure repeating decimal. How you will read first? This is 3.36 recurring minus 2.05 recurring plus 1.33 recurring. What is the meaning of recurring? It means this is repeating again and again. It means if how you will solve this question? It means 3.363636 repeating again and again. It means 2.050505 repeating it again and again. So how you will solve this question? You have to write for this 3 plus before decimal. You have to write like this 3 and plus this is 36 divide by, if the recurring on 2 digit, you have to write in denominator 9 because this is repeating digit, and for this minus you have to take outside, and for this you have to write 2 plus 0 5 by 9. Why? Because recurring on 2 digit and these 2 digit are repeating again and again. That's why I have written 9 for this. And what about this one? 1 plus 3 by 9, because here is also recurring on 2 digits. So how you will solve? Just 3 minus 2, this 2 will come outside, so this 2 will come outside with minus, and this 1 will be plus. This is natural number, complete number, so you have to do alone. And what about this fraction? You have to add 36 by 99, and this 5 by 99 will come out with minus, so it will be 5 by 99, and this is 33 by 99. 3 minus 2, 1 plus 1, 2, so it will be 2 plus, if you will take LCM, it will be 99, and in numerator it will be 36 minus 5 plus 33, and it will be 2 plus 36 plus 33, 69, minus 5, 64 by 99, and this is final answer, and you can write it in recurring form 2.64 recurring, and this is the final answer for this question. If I will talk about the next question, so next question is 0.423 recurring. Here you will see after decimal there are 3 digit and recurring on 2 digit only. That means this is repeating digit, this is repeating again and again, and one number is there 4, that is non-repeating digit. So how you will solve this question? You have to write it 0 plus, this is, you have to take 423 after decimal, all numbers you have to take together, and you have to subtract it from non-repeating digit, that is 4. So you have to subtract from this 4 and divide by, you have to write 294 recurring on 2 digit, always you write, and 104 non-repeating digit, that is 4, and this is the final answer. You can write it 0 plus 423 minus 4 equals to 419 by 990, and you can write it in the form of recurring number, recurring decimal 0.419 recurring, and this is the final answer for this question.